Hi everyone. I really want people to be able to have their money work harder for them, okay? And I want them to be able to do that through knowing how to invest and hold good global companies for 12 months. I want them to be their own fund manager. I don't want them to give the money away to somebody and pay fat cats to do it for them, because it really doesn't need to be that complicated, right? People don't often realize that they can own stocks like Microsoft, PayPal, Square, Lam Research, Amazon, all of those into their SIP or into their ISA. Okay, there's many great SIP and ISA providers out there, great British brokers who will set up your SIP and ISA. What you don't need to do is give your money to a fund manager, and I'll tell you why. They often will charge you roughly about £1,000 on every £10,000 you give them every 5 years. So every 5 years, for every £10,000 you give them, £1,000 will go in fees. Right? You don't need to do that. That saves you a lot of money already. And that £1,000 in fees that you've given over a number of years could have grown in itself. If you're not investing, the major problem is that you're spending all your time working, but you're not cloning yourself by having your money work for you. That could be two people working then, you in your day job and your money in its day job, which is being a shareholder in whatever it is, Amazon, Apple, Square, whatever those things are, and getting a return. Now you might think, no, that's all gambling. Well, we're talking about holding things for a 12-month period, then reviewing, not too short, not too long, because the world changes, obviously, as we've seen this year. We're not going to be gambling on news stories. No, going to find companies which have got solid profit growth, sales growth, dividend growth, cash flow growth. Have got a track record of delivering share price performance. Simple, isn't it? And as I said, people don't realize they can have global companies in their SIPs and ISAs. That should mean a more comfortable retirement. And in case you think, no, investment's not for me. Well, if you've got a job, your pension is invested in the stock market already. Sadly, a lot of these fund managers will invest it purely by geography. It's almost as if they're racist. Oh, we're only going to invest in European companies, or only in British companies, or only in Japanese companies. Why would you restrict by geography? Doesn't make sense. Why would you not pick companies based upon the factors that I've already mentioned? And I've already mentioned some really big names anyway. I'm not saying they're the ones you should have. What I'm saying is that it doesn't have to be tiny, risky companies. Okay? So anyway, have a look at it. One of the ways that I want people to do this, and I'm committed to improving people's investment education, is I've made my international best-selling book. You can see it just over there. There it is, available for free. For free. You can download it. There's a link around this video to do that. Okay? Or just go to alpeshpatel.com and you'll be able to download it for free from there. Right? I don't want the royalties. I'd rather you knew more about investing and you became your own fund manager. Like I said, there's many brokers out there who will set up your SIP or your ISA or your savings account. So I don't want anything from you. Right? You don't hear that very often from a fund manager, do you? Thank you.